Hidden behind these massive gates is a farm unlike most people have ever seen. Every day, hundreds of peafowl are fed, monitored, and cared for.
All right, delivery confirmed. Seal number matches.
Great, thanks. Have a good one.
The protein levels look consistent with the last batch. Yes, the near-infrared results confirm that. We can proceed with the amino acid profile.
Wing mobility is excellent. Record the feather condition as green, Doctor.
Got it. Heart rate steady.
The peahen typically lays between 3 and 5 eggs in a clutch, which we carefully gather each morning. Advanced sensors continuously monitor temperature and air quality. The data is displayed live as the ventilation system ensures perfect airflow throughout the enclosures.
We use the digital scales for precision. At this stage, consistent weight gain, like this 148 grams, indicates a healthy chick.
Feed levels dropping in enclosure 7.
Rerouting the automated system. Check perimeter cameras.
Look at the temperature sensor dashboard. We have a spike in zone 4.
Acknowledged. Initiating cooling sequence.